This is how to create a Twitter account in 2026. Now, Twitter is also known as X. I believe a lot of us know this. Now, if you're into Web3 or you're someone who is looking for a good client or clients that pay well, then Twitter is the place to be. All right. So to create a Twitter account, all you have to do right now is to just go to your Google Play Store on your Android or Apple device and go to the search bar, type in the keyword x.com or twitter.com. Now you'd see an app with this very logo. All you just have to do right now is to click on install, right, to install this very app. Mine is showing update because I already have this app on my device. Now once this is done installing, then you go ahead and click on open to open this very app. Now once you open the app, you're going to see this very interface right now with two buttons actually, and the very first one is continue with Google and the second is create an account. So just go ahead and click on create an account, and then we enter our name and enter our email, the email you want to use to create this very account, and then you go ahead and enter your date of birth, the year, the month and the day, right? It is as easy as that. Once you're done, you go ahead and click on next, and this will take you to the next page, which would ask you to paste the code that was sent to your device. Now this code is going to be sent to the email you provided, so you're going to go over to your email, right, and grab that very code, right, and go back to your Twitter app right now and paste that very code. As you can see, this is mine. I'm just going to copy this right now, head back to Twitter and paste this right here, and then click on next, and this is automatically going to lead us to the next page, which would ask us to enter our password. Now this password is personal. It's something you can decide on your own, right? So you have to decide the password you use to secure your account, but make sure it's strong. So after that, you go ahead and click on save, and then you move to the next step, which asks you to enter a profile picture. I'm just going to select my known profile picture right here and click on next, and then when I click on next right now, this is going to take me to this very page, which would ask me to enter a username. Now I discovered that Daniel Patrick Crypto has been taken and Daniel Pat Crypto has also been taken. I don't know who did that, but I'm just going to use Dan Pat Crypto to create this very account right now. So once I enter this, I'm just going to click on next, right? Once you enter this, you click on next, and this is going to take you to this very page, which is going to ask you to enable notification, but I'm going to say skip for now, and then you can now select what you have interest in, right? Things you have interest in. So I'm just going to go ahead and select cryptocurrency and other stuff right here. So once you're done selecting, you go ahead and click on next. After clicking next, you follow one or more accounts. So I'm just going to follow a couple of accounts right here, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on next right now. Now this is saying get the app because I switched to the web version while creating this very account, but the creation process is still the same whether it's for app or web version. Now you can see this account has just been created, and this is going to show your interest based on what you selected, right? I'm just going to go ahead and click on this profile icon right now, and you can see this is a brand new account, 0 following and 0 followers. I would really appreciate it if you guys follow these very accounts. My username is Dan Pat Crypto, and I really appreciate you if you follow that very account. So this is basically it for this very video. This is how you create an X account. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and also turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on updates like this. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.